Well, here it is. New shop. After 4 years, finally have a place that I can call my own again.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So I just marked out what I had been working out of for the last 2 years. It was a storage unit, 10 by 20. I posted a video of it, of me moving out of there actually, on my YouTube, but it is an unlisted video. If you want to see that video, just in the description there will be a link, and that'll bring you to it. But that's all I had. And you can imagine once the car was in there, I didn't have much room. So I've been here for just about a month, just kind of moving in, putting things in storage, a little bit of decoration. Shout out to the homie Josh. He grabbed this 84 Accord steering wheel and shift knob out of the junkyard for me the other day, so figured that's a good decoration. Got this replica Denji that I pulled out of a junkyard a couple years ago. My wife got me that little check engine light sign, same with the Paradise CJ1 Boulevard. I've got some old hats. I really like old vintage hats, but my head is too big for a lot of them, so they just get hung up. I have some more storage up there, utilizing the rafters to keep things off the ground, just so I have more space. I guess that's kind of it. This is home. Plan on doing a lot of freaking work in here. I'm not sure what else to say. I've been thinking about making this video for a while, so I've had some ideas, but I've probably forgot them, so I'll just end it here. Thanks for watching.